Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So here we have a Fujica Z800 and I'm going to show you how to remove and clean the pressure plate, which is right here on this Single-8 vintage movie camera. Okay, so you have, sometimes you have rust in here, and there's a little bit of rust here, and you want to clean that off. And there are other times you have some film particles and it just needs to be cleaned in there. Okay, so you have these little clasps right here, these pressure washers. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take a flathead micro and put it in there, and it's, you know what, it's really not that easy, but knock it in there. If it gets on your screwdriver, great. If it doesn't, it's down in there and you can turn this over and get it out. So just don't worry about it. Go to the next one. Okay. There we go. So I've got this one here. I'll put it up there. The other one is inside the camera somewhere. Okay, so we're going to have to remove this pressure plate, because it's going to have to be one like this would have to be cleaned. Not only that, the paint's going to have to be removed and repainted. Look at the end of my pencil eraser and you'll see the rust that started forming and bubbling up under the paint. See that right there? There, it's flaking off. See that right there? It's already. So I can get my eraser. See that? Just tearing off right there. So we got to get that. So if you're looking to know how to do this, this is what we're doing. And when you're getting ready to do this, take a look at the, and remember the orientation of the plate. Here's the spring, the leaf spring back behind there. See this? Take a look at how it's positioned and seated inside of here. You see there? Take a look at all that. When you pull that back, there's a part back here beyond that. See that? How it moves across like that and separates. Take a look at all that and keep that all in mind. Next, you're just going to have to start removing screws, because remember, we got this flaking off right here. See there? Look how bad that is. That rust under there. It's got to be all repainted, removed and repainted. So, take your thumb, press on the pressure plate. Take this mini Phillips and start turning. And we have movement, as you can see, always good. There's a screw. This is just to show you how to do it. The next screw, right here, Phillips. Just take your thumb, press on the pressure plate, and start working. Make sure you can get movement. And there we have it. Movement right there. Always a good thing. You want a vintage movie camera? Welcome to the maintenance. Alright. There you are. And there you are. More rust. And yes, the shutter will have to be reset from dismantling the pressure plate. Next, we're going to remove the camera out of the way, and especially this area where the shutter is. We don't want to touch that for right now. That's going to be something to set later, upon you're going to be doing this yourself. And we put this out of the way. Come on, Paul. Get it all in there. There you go. Okay. And here we go down to the reason we came here. Look at that. That's pretty nasty. And definitely needs attention. Okay. So you can see how everything has started bubbling up here. Again, all right? And we're going to start separating this. Get this cleaning. You can see in between here more clearly now. All right? And back here. It's going to take a lot of work. Okay? But you can see the work that it's going to take. Okay, watch how everything looks. Again, take a look at the top view of it. How it moves. The leaf spring inside. The side of it down here. That lock clamp. How this spring goes in and rests there. And rests there at the end of my pencil eraser. Two Phillips down here at the bottom that are black. Here's the side view. Another lock clamp right there. Turn it around to the back. Two Phillips here, micro. And you have to remember this. That's very important. Alright. Two black screws here. All this will have to be cleaned, sanded, and the whole deal. Well, let's take a look at how the parts are going to go. These things are hard to get on and hard to get off. Alright. Next, going to remove these two screws right here, these two micro mini Phillips. Let's see if we can get movement. Feel like it. Yep, got one screw there. Next one here. Hold this stuff together in your fingers, your hands. As I always say, any mistakes you make upon your camera, and any attempt to repair or service your camera are all on you. It's always best to send your camera to a service technician for repair. This also goes for personal persons and personal injury. upon that would happen. Alright, there we go. Everything's corroded and well rusted, really. Alright. So what we got here is what you see. Now the springs are coming loose. There we go. Watch up here with that leaf spring, okay? And get that in the frame. Pull it out, lay it down. There's the back of it. Okay. Alright. Here's the leaf spring. Into my pencil eraser. I'll pick it up. I'll set this part down in the frame. Turn this around for you. Alright, so you got a piece of metal there. The leaf spring is simply being able to be removed just like that. Okay, so here are the parts. Okay, this is the front, and on the back of here, there you see you still got some more of that bubbling rust under the paint going on. There it is, and it's just got to be taken care of. See there? Look at that. That's just got to be addressed right there. That's a problem. So, upon that you want to do something like this to your camera, or understand what's going on when you send it to the technician, which is a better idea. I do not ever suggest you repair your own stuff. These two screws, and then these two Phillips down here as well. Remember, when you get a spring like this, keep your fingers on it because it wants to fly either left or right. All these things like this. So I generally put my thumb on them. This also goes for counters. Take counters apart. They got a spring in there like that. That's most Super 8 cameras. This is Single-8 again. Alright, get the second one. Turn it around. You go here, remove it, turn it around, check for rust. Remember how it goes. Sorry about hitting the lens, the camera. See this curved part up here where my finger is? That's the top of it. The flat part is the bottom. Okay, next these two. The two Phillips here. And it feels like we have movement. So I will not be repairing this or painting it. It's from one of my parts cameras. This is just to show you really what the technician would do, what needs to be done. Okay. Now, there we go. Separate that. Okay. So basically that's it. If you find parts in here that are pretty clean, leave it. Don't mess with it. You gotta clean this in here. Okay. Just remove those, that pressure washer. One over here at the end of my pencil razor. Slide this out. Keep your finger on that spring, thumb and finger, otherwise it's going to shoot left or right and you'll lose it. And there's the part. So, the Fujica Z800, the pressure plate. This comes from just my parts camera, right in here, and this is again just to show you what it's going to be like to get in there and start working on that. Alright? But as you can see, you can definitely run into a problem right there with that rust. And if you look in there, you can, and in the parts, that hidden rust will definitely affect the stability of your filming. It has to be, the paint has to be removed, the rust has to be removed and repainted, and then reassembled. Alright? So that was just to show you what it would be like. And again, it's best to send your camera to a service technician for repair. Any mistakes you make upon your camera, a camera, person or persons, are all on you. Alright? And for more videos like this, mateys, do subscribe. Until next time, later.